Hello everyone, I'm Aras from aras.me. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a powerful Python library called GetBuildings. The library helps you process and download buildings from global datasets based on a specific area of interest or AOI. Whether it's a shapefile or a bounding box, it's perfect for GIS enthusiasts, urban planners, or researchers. Stick around to see how you can easily extract building data and save it in formats like GeoJSON. Yeah, this format GeoJSON for using tools like QGIS or ArcGIS. Okay, storage is GeoJSON. Very good. With the library, you can, with this library, you can process buildings data using bounding box or shapefile. Automatically download data from global datasets, filter results to focus only on your AOI or area of interest. If you are a GIS developer, researcher, or just someone exploring geospatial analysis, this tool is designed to save your hours of manual work. I'm Aras, and this is for you. Bye-bye.